Hey guys, this is Heather. Now I know a lot of you are very on top of the electric pressure cooker game, whether that's an Instant Pot or some other brand of electric pressure cooker. And I also know that some of you have an electric pressure cooker and don't know how to use it, or that maybe you've heard about them and never tried them before. So I'm super excited to share some info and recipes this month about electric pressure cookers because, surprise, I have another cookbook coming out. It's going to be 5 ingredient vegan recipes for your electric pressure cooker. And I say electric pressure cooker as like a broad term. I know a lot of people talk about Instant Pots. Those are an electric pressure cooker. They have some other functions, but this book is going to be focused on recipes that you can make in any electric pressure cooker. I feel like it hasn't been very long since my last cookbook, the College Vegan Cookbook, and a lot of you might be wondering what's different, what's the same. So the focus is still kind of similar in that it's 5 ingredients, so it's not going to be anything complicated. These are recipes that are easy to put together, simple to make on a weeknight, and don't take a lot of time. But it's kind of like a little bit of a progression from the College Vegan book. The College Vegan book was very much focused on budget recipes, so if that's what you're interested in, go check that book out. This book, the recipes will still all be very affordable, but I wasn't as hyper-focused on making everything super budget. So there's more variety of ingredients. The iced tea that I showed you in my What I Eat in a Day video was a simplified version of an iced tea that's in the book. The book has a lavender peach iced tea, which is really good. So like I said, through this month, I'm going to be sharing some tips on the basics of how to use an electric pressure cooker, and also some recipes from the book to show you what you can make with your electric pressure cooker. And like I said, it doesn't have to be an Instant Pot. So the book is going to print September 10th, but you can actually pre-order it right now, and as soon as it's ready, it'll be shipped out to you pronto. And because I am so grateful for anyone who pre-orders, I have a little gift for you, a 7-day meal plan using your pressure cooker so that you can get started understanding how it works and how you can use it to prep meals for your week. So all the details are down below. I am excited for Pressure Cooker Month. I know it's August, I know it's still hot out in a lot of places, and you might not think of a pressure cooker as a great thing to use in the summer, but here's the thing. You can cook your food without getting your kitchen hot, and you can batch cook stuff to put in your salads and have nice cooling meals through the week. So I hope you're excited too. If you have any questions about electric pressure cookers, please leave them in the comments down below, and I'll try to fold them into some of my videos or posts in the coming month. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I am so looking forward to doing some pressure cooking with you this month, so be sure to subscribe, and we'll talk soon. Bye!
Vegan, yeah.